Students, now we are in the topic of dot product of vectors. Yesterday we discussed dot product of vectors level 3 until two sums. Two sums we discussed. Now let us discuss about third sum, dot product of vectors level 3. Dot product of vectors. Two sums we completed. Third question. Before discussing the third question, we should know the formula of number of possible integral solutions. If x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus so on xr is equal to n. If the n terms, r terms will be equal to the value n, then number of possible integral solutions. Formula in permutations and combinations chapter in 2A topic we will be learning. Number of possible integral solutions. Number of possible integral solutions is equal to n minus 1 cr minus 1. n minus 1 cr minus 1 is the formula of number of possible integral solutions. So, depending upon that formula, we can say this sum. Let us read the question. If the position vector of any point P is r bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Position vector of P point given as r bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Alpha xyz belongs to n. N means natural number here. This n also natural number. Alpha is a vector given by a. Alpha bar is a vector given by alpha bar is equal to I plus j plus k he given. Alpha bar equal to I plus j plus k. Then the total number of possible solutions of point P such that which r bar dot alpha bar equal to 10 he given. Alpha bar dot r bar equal to 10 he given. So r bar dot alpha you can write as I dot I1, j dot j1, k dot k1 concept. X plus y plus z is equal to 10. So what is the value of r here? How many numbers are there in summation is r? What is the total value we got here is 10. The number of possible solutions he is asking. Now total number of possible positions. Total number of positions formula. Just you had written here. Total number of positions is the number of solutions formula n minus 1 cr minus 1. Here n is equal to 10 and r is equal to 3. So here you can write 9c2. 9c2 formula nc2 formula n into n minus 1 by 2 into 1. Once I am writing here nc2 formula shortcut n into n minus 1 by 2 into 1 using the formula ncr is equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Depend upon this one, we can calculate this one. 2 4s are 8. So 9 into 4 equal to 36 will be getting. So total number of possible positions to get the value x plus y plus z is equal to 10, where alpha is equal to I plus j plus k given. The total number of positions equal to 36. 36 positions. Now let us discuss about fourth question. Fourth one, a bar a given vector, b bar a given vector and the unit vector c bar. You should underline and you should try to understand that the given vector c bar is a unit vector. To calculate the position of c vector, first of all we should observe that it is a unit vector and c bar is coplanar. This which one? A bar, b bar are two vectors. C bar is a unit vector. It is coplanar with the vectors a bar and b bar. So and also c bar is perpendicular to a. Then what is c he is asking? Fourth question. Given I am writing given value. Given a bar is equal to 2i plus j plus k. That is the vector A bar. B bar is equal to I plus 2j minus k. B bar is equal to I plus 2j minus k. And a unit vector mod C equal to 1. This is the given data. A bar had written, B written and C written. C means here he is saying that C bar is a unit vector and it is a coplanar if C bar is perpendicular to A bar. Also the condition I am writing, also C bar dot A bar is equal to 0. Let it be first equation, it will be useful later. Because he given as C is a perpendicular to A, then we should calculate the vector C bar. Whenever three vectors are coplanar or linearly dependent or collinear, we can write the vector, one vector can be expressed as a linear combination of other two. Generally used to say in IPE simply calculating det equal to 0. Det equal to 0 is a shortcut method, but the original method is that whenever the three vectors are linearly dependent or three vectors are coplanar, then we can say that one vector is expressed as linear combination of other two. One vector can be expressed as linear combination of other two. Since, here I am writing, since C bar is coplanar, since C bar is coplanar, then since C bar is coplanar, then C bar can be written as one vector can be expressed as a scalar product of the others. So that means linear combination with scalar product. So what is the linear combination? One vector can be expressed as sum of linear combination of other two. C bar is equal to alpha A bar plus beta B bar. C bar is equal to alpha A bar plus beta B bar, where alpha comma beta are scalars. So you can write here that implies C bar is equal to alpha into 2i. You can write here alpha into 2i plus j plus k. Next one beta into I plus 2j minus k. So using the formula C dot A is equal to 0. Let it be first equation. Let it be C is equal to, you can write here I bar taken common. We can write that one as 2 alpha plus beta plus j bar taken common. It can write as alpha plus 2 beta. If k bar taken common, it can be write as alpha minus beta. So using 1 I am writing from 1. What is the value we may get? From 1, C dot A is equal to 0. So what is the value C? This one, pull this one. So I into 2 into 2 alpha plus beta, like that you can write. From 1 you can write 2 into 2 alpha plus beta plus 1 into alpha plus 2 beta plus 1 into alpha plus 2 beta plus alpha minus beta equal to 0 we can write. So you write now 2 2s are 4, 4 alpha plus alpha, you can write here this is as 6 alpha, this is as 6 alpha. Now this is a 2 beta plus 2 beta, 4 beta minus beta, you can write this one as 3 beta equal to 0. You divide the value with 3, you will be getting beta is equal to minus 2 alpha. It is the relation. Beta is equal to minus 2 alpha. So beta is equal to minus 2 alpha, you can write, put here a name 2. If beta is equal to minus 2 alpha, we had written, if we substitute the value in this, we may get the value of alpha. Let us substitute, it is this B2, better. From 2 you write, from 2 you can write C bar is equal to what I had written, 2 alpha plus beta. Same, you can understand that if you divide with 3, it becomes 2 alpha plus beta. So first part I coefficient 0 and alpha plus 2 beta. So instead of beta you write minus 2 alpha. So it can be written as j bar into alpha minus 4 alpha. So minus 3 alpha you can write. This is alpha plus 2 beta, means alpha minus 4 alpha. Next is plus k bar into alpha minus 2 beta. Here minus becomes plus, alpha plus 2 alpha becomes 3 alpha. Okay, 3 alpha taken common. Now 3 alpha taking common and take mod. mod C is equal to, I am thinking about magnitude, 3 alpha taken common, mod C is equal to 3 alpha into, what is the value of this one, j plus k, component plus component whole square, 1 plus 1, it is 3 alpha into root 2. What he given, the mod C is equal to 1. So it is a unit vector. So you can write 1 is equal to 3 alpha into root 2. Then you can write here alpha is equal to 1 by 3 root 2. Alpha is equal to value 1 by 3 root 2. So whenever alpha is equal to 1 by 3 root 2, you substitute the value, you will be getting the answer. C bar we thought as alpha A bar plus beta B bar. Alpha is equal to 1 by 3 root 2 we got. If you write this one also, beta is equal to what is the value? Minus 2 alpha. So minus 2 by 3 root 2 we can write. So alpha A bar is equal to, no need, simply you can substitute here, alpha is equal to 3 root 2, otherwise here you can substitute. From 2 we can write. From 2. Now we calculated 2 alpha plus from 2. C bar is equal to 2 alpha plus beta, no need to write because it became 0. J into alpha plus 2 beta. Let us do one thing. 1 by 3 root 2 taken common. 1 by 3 root 2 taken common, it becomes 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is 4. So minus 3 j bar, this is j bar, plus alpha minus beta. What is alpha? 1 minus of minus. This is 3. 3k bar right here. If we take a common 3, then you can write the vector C bar is equal to minus 1 by root 2 into j bar minus k bar. Otherwise, if you take only positive 1 by root 2 into, you can write minus j plus k. So first option, we are verified. First option. By next shortcut method, you verify. Shortcut method I am saying, a unit vector C bar is coplanar. Whenever he said unit vector, two options are there. 1 by root, unit vector means magnitude root 2. For first option, root 2 by root 2 becomes 1. For second option, root 3 by root 3. So two options. For third option also 1 plus 5. 3 options will be there. So no verification is possible. Next, coplanar he given the condition. Whenever he given the condition, then you should calculate the determinant in shortcut method. A bar, B bar, C bar. You find determinant, you will be getting 0 for first option. That is shortcut method. Next one, fifth question. Fifth question depends upon the topic 3D lines. Already in 1B topic we discussed 3D lines. So you should get an idea about equation of straight plane in 3D form and its Cartesian forms and points of intersections also. So first read the question. The position vector of foot of the perpendicular from 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 3 to the line. Foot of the perpendicular line I am writing. This is the fifth question. Line. Line he given as r bar is equal to I plus j. This is a bracket. I plus j plus lambda into 2i plus j plus k. This is a line he given. This we know that r bar is equal to a bar plus tb bar. Cartesian form I am writing. Line Cartesian form. Whenever we retain Cartesian form, it is better to calculate. Here x minus 1 by 2. This is 1 and this is 1. X component is equal. This is 2. Direction ratio. Next, y minus 1 by 1, this is the direction ratio. Next to z minus 0, there is no k bar. By 1 is equal to some constant he given lambda. Lambda you can write. This is the equation of line in Cartesian form. Next, the position vector of foot of perpendicular from 1 comma minus 2 comma 3 to the line. So you should calculate the foot of the perpendicular. Let the given point P. He did not put any name, so you can put the name P. 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 3. Here this is a Q. This is a line L. For the line L equal to 0, we should calculate foot of perpendicular. So line point, I am discussing about line point. What is the line point? You can write as x is equal to 2 lambda plus 1. If you will be getting understand I taken common, then only you can write here 2 lambda plus 1. Next, y is equal to x is equal to 2 lambda plus 1 and y is equal to lambda plus 1 and z is equal to simple lambda. Now, if q you write here, the coordinates of q 2 lambda plus 1 comma lambda plus 1 comma lambda. Now, you write here drs means direction ratios of pq. Direction ratios of pq means q minus p, second vector minus first vector. 2 lambda plus 1 minus 1 becomes 2 lambda, comma. Next, lambda plus 1 minus 2 becomes lambda plus 3, comma. Next one, lambda plus 3, this one also, lambda plus 3. Now, you should try to understand that the line L equal to 0 and PQ are perpendicular. Whenever two lines are perpendicular, then we can use the dot product equal to 0 or the A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equal to 0 concept using direction ratios. So what is the direction ratios of line 2, 1, 1? So what is the direction ratios of PQ? Now only we got the direction ratios 2 lambda, lambda plus 3 and lambda plus 3. Then since I am writing here, since L perpendicular to PQ, that implies you can substitute the value here, this 2 into 2 lambda, next this one plus 1 into lambda plus 3, next this one plus 1 into lambda plus 3 is equal to 0. Now 4 lambda plus lambda becomes 6 lambda and 3 plus 3 becomes 6 equal to 0, this is plus 6. So lambda is equal to minus 1. Whenever we got the value lambda is equal to minus 1, sub in Q, you will be adding the foot of the perpendicular. So 2 lambda plus 1 becomes minus 2 plus 1. So this is minus 1 and this is 0 and this is minus 1. Let us see the option minus 1 comma 0 comma minus 1. So he given in the component manner as minus I minus k, that is the second option. By verification also it is possible, but this is the correct way and correct method because this question is important in 3D lines topic and 3D planes topic also. So vector in multiplication of vectors in triple product also will be reading the same sum. So IMP concept for JEE mains. Next, let us discuss about the sixth question. Let A bar is equal to A bar, B bar, C bar given 3 vectors. A vector in the plane of B bar and C bar. Whenever he given that a vector in the plane of B bar and C bar, we should try to understand that the 3 vectors are coplanar. So lying in the same plane, whose projection on A bar is of magnitude. So magnitude of projection he is asking. A bar is equal to 2i minus j plus k. B bar is equal to I plus 2j minus k. C bar is equal to I plus j minus 2k. A vector in the plane of B bar and C bar, projection on A bar is of magnitude root 2 by 3. So better to verify options. Projection of on the A bar he is asking. So example, let the fourth vector, what the vector we are finding, let the fourth vector is equal to D bar given projection, magnitude of projection or projection. That means the formula D bar dot A bar by mod A bar is equal to root of 2 by 3. You can say what is the value D, whatever the value we are finding. So better to verify. First option taken, first option 2i minus 3j 2 plus 3 plus 3 by mod A. 2 plus 3 plus 3, 2 plus 3 plus 3 becomes 8. It is not possible. Second option 2 plus 3, 2 minus 3 plus 3. 3 by root 3 it is not possible. So directly we can say third option. What is the value of third option? Minus 2i minus j plus 5k. Now you write this is D bar. Let this is D bar. That implies D bar dot A bar minus 2i into 2i minus 4 you write. Minus 1 plus 1 you write. And this is plus 5 plus 5 by b bar dot a bar. So over this magnitude a bar 4 plus 1 plus 1. So 5 1 6, 6 minus 4 2, you write here 2 by root 6. 2 by root 6. You can write this one root 2 into root 2 and root 2 into root 3, root 2, root 2 get cancelled. You can get the value root 2 by 3. Correct. Root 2 by 3 is the right answer. If we multiply with 2 minus 1 plus 5, it is not possible. Only third option verified here, shortcut is there. So it is better. Next, seventh question. Seventh question is discussing about triangle ABC. 3 points given ABC. First you should try to understand that he given the 3 position vectors or 3 points or 3 vertices or 3 sides. While reading the question, you should know the data. The triangle ABC defined by the vertices A, B, C. Here capital A, capital B, capital C indicates the vertices A, B, C. Here A, B, C are the vertices of the triangle given. A value 1 minus 2 2 and B value 1 comma 4 comma 0, C value minus 4 comma 1 comma 1. 3 vertices given. Let M be the foot of altitude. Altitude means the perpendicular line segment drawn from vertex to the opposite side. He put the name M. So BM he is asking. BM, not AM. BM. So better to draw diagram like that. It is better. We can get this answer also, but taking AC base will not get confused to calculate. This is B, this is A, this is C. So A value 1 comma minus 2 comma 2 you put here. 1 comma minus 2 comma 2. B value 1 comma 4 comma 0. B value 1 comma 4 comma 0. C value minus 4 comma 1 comma 1. Let M be the foot of altitude from B to the side BC. So this is B, this is D you put. To side AC, not BC. To side AC, the altitude drawn from a perpendicular and drawn from vertex to the opposite side is called the altitude. The altitude he drawn from B to the side AC. Let the point, he given the point as M. He given the value M. Then he is asking that then BM. What is BM? BM coefficient, not length he asked. In some questions, length BM also used to ask. So BM means here M minus B, OM minus OB concept you should know. So what is the value of BM means M we should get. Midpoint concept he did not give because altitude means not midpoint. Whether it is equilateral triangle here everything okay. But try to understand that drawn from altitude, drawn from vertex means we can write here projection concept. Projection of AB. Projection of AB on AC. Projection of AB on AC in the direction perpendicular to, this is perpendicular, in the direction perpendicular to AC. We know that the formula B bar minus B bar dot A bar, if it is B bar and this is B bar, this is A bar, this is B bar, this is A bar, then B bar minus B bar dot A bar into mod A bar by modulus of A square. In the concept I said proof also. If he is asking magnitude you put mod, otherwise no need. So what is B bar here? I am saying that this is AB, right, minus AB dot, this is AC, into AC whole by modulus of AC square. AB minus AB dot AC into mod AC by modulus of AC square. Now let us discuss AB. AB means OB minus OA. 1 minus 1 0, no need to write. 4 minus of minus 2 6 plus 6j, 0 minus 2, this is minus 2k, 6j minus 2k minus of AB. Just now only we calculated 6j minus 2k, 6j minus 2k, this one into AC, OC minus OA, minus 4 minus 1, like minus 5 you write, 5I bar, 1 plus 2, 3J bar, next 1 minus 2, minus K bar, whole by, into AC, put a bracket here, and AC, the same value you write here, minus 5y, this is 5, minus 5y, plus 3J, minus K, whole by the magnitude of AC whole square. What is the AC this one? Whole square, here you can write this is 25, 9 plus 1. Here J with J you multiply 6 3s are 18, minus of minus plus 2, 18 plus 2 becomes 20. You can write here 6J minus 2K, 6J minus 2K minus 20 by 35, 25 times 35 into minus 5y plus 3J minus K bar, 5 table 4 times 7 times. Now we can write here 7 6 are, this is 42J minus 7 2s are 14K, minus of minus, this is 20I, minus 4 3s are 12J, this is plus 4K, whole by 7. So you can write here only 20I, 20I, 42 minus 12 becomes 30, this is 30J, minus 14 plus 4 becomes 10K, whole by 7. So component of MB I am saying. In proof also I said that the perpendicular projection, the orthogonal projection in the direction of A bar is like this. This is MB. So MB I am writing here. MB is equal to components he given components as 20 by 7, 30 by 7 minus 10 by 7. Whenever he asks, if you asked MB, we write like this. But he is asking about BM. So in the vector concept, direction is important. In the DC's concept, direction is not important. If the same topic in 1B you get, same value you will be getting answer. But this is 1A, according to vectors, you need direction. So BM is a negative direction of MB. So change the values. Minus 20 by 7, minus 30 by 7 and 10 by 7 is the component of BM. Minus 20 by 7, minus 30 by 7, 10 by 7. So 7th question, first option here. Next one, 8th question. 8th question depends upon progressions. So what are the progressions? Geometry, there are 3 types, generally 4 types. Arithmetic progression, geometric progression, harmonic progression and arithmetic geometric progression. 4 types of progressions are there. Among them, usually geometric progression used to give in vectors concept. 8th question. Pth, qth, rth terms of GP are the positive numbers A, B, C. Angle between the vectors log A cube I plus log A cube B cube J plus log C cube K and q minus r into I plus r minus p into j plus p minus q into k is given. You should calculate the angle between. But the pth, qth, rth terms given. P, tp, pth term is indicating with A. For GP first one I am writing. For GP, TP, pth term he given as A. Qth term he given as B. Rth term he given as C. That's all. Then angle between the vectors log A cube, find question data I am writing. Find angle between log A cube into I bar. Log A cube into I bar he given. Okay. Log A cube into I bar. Next log B cube into J bar. Log C cube into K bar. This is a vector, comma. Another vector he given as q minus r into I plus r minus p into j plus p minus q into k. This is called a cyclic expression. Q minus r minus p minus q is called a cyclic expression. In matrices you learn such sums. Tp is equal to A. Would you one thing? Let the P is equal to 1. I mean, first, second, third consecutive terms you take no problem. Let P is equal to 1, Q is equal to 2, R is equal to 3. Even though you will not take the 1, 2, 3, you will be getting answer, no problem. Tp is equal to A. So first term means simply T1 we can write here, T1 equal to A. Next T2 is equal to AR. AR we can write, AR is equal to B, and T3 is equal to AR square. AR square is equal to C. Generally usable notation is AR comma AR comma AR square are the geometric progression series. So AR square I had written here. Log A cube means what is the value of A? Simply T1. Okay, simply you write log A cube, there is no question. Let it be first vector. Let it be second vector. Here second vector becomes, you can write here P I had taken 1, Q I had taken 2, R I had taken 3. So 2 Q minus R, this is minus you can write. R minus P, this is 2J we can write. Next P minus Q, this is minus K we can write. This is B vector, I have taken the numbers. Log A cube, now we can write log A cube. A bar I am writing, B bar already we got. You can write 3 log A into I bar. 3 log A into I bar plus log B cube. What is the value B here? Log AR. So 3 into we can write that log A plus log R. Log A plus log R, because log AB formula log A plus log B. Into J you can write. Again 3 into you write here log A plus log R square. Log A plus log R square. So 2 log R. 3 into log A into K bar. Okay. Now B bar we can write here. B bar is equal to minus I plus 2J minus K. If we multiply, for everything we will do one thing. Log A taken common. Log A, 3 log A taken common. First of all with I, 3 log A into log R square, 2 log R will be getting. 3 log A if you take common, minus 1 plus 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 2, log A terminology becomes 0, and for I this one completed. For J, separately if we take 3, we can say that log R, and 3 log R we can take common here. 3 log R, there is no item, so no need to calculate about I. Here 2 into log R, 2 is there, and there is 2 becomes, if multiply with that 2 into minus 2, it becomes 2 minus 2, 0. That's all. So no need to calculate. This one 0 and this one 0, overall 0. So whenever the two vectors are dot product of two vectors is 0, then angle between two vectors is pi by 2. If you will not take, students, A, P1, Q2, R3, I have taken, no need to take this, that one also. Without shortcut also you can do like that. Just a concept I am saying, you can follow the homework. Concept I am saying, homework I am giving to you. So P1, T1 is equal to A. I am writing as TP is equal to, generally TP A he given. So don't change it. TP means what is the value in the geometric progression? Geometric progression notation is A into R power n minus 1 is the geometric progression general term. A into, here A already used the letter alpha into, A I have taken alpha. Alpha into A into R power n minus 1 I am saying. Alpha dot R power P minus 1 is equal to A, you think. Next one, about TQ I am saying. About TQ, A into R power n minus 1 concept. Alpha into R power Q minus 1 is equal to B, you write. Next TR I am saying. Alpha into capital R power small r minus 1 equal to C. And you apply this formula, you will be getting. No need to take 1, 2, 3 also. By shortcut I said. By the method, that one you can do. I am giving homework to you. Next one. 9th question. Let A bar, B bar, C bar are equal magnitudes. A, B, C having equal magnitudes. If he give a unit vectors, you should consider it is a unit vector with magnitude 1. If he given any value 2, 3 or like that, for every vector you should write the value same. If he did not discuss about the magnitude, then we can say it is a some constant k or c or lambda anything according to our question. Ninth question. If let A bar, B bar, C bar are vectors of equal magnitude such that angle between A bar and B bar is alpha, angle between B bar and C bar is beta, angle between C bar and A bar is gamma he given, then we should calculate a minimum value of cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma. Depends upon trigonometric concept. Let mod A is equal to, simply he is discussing about equal magnitude. Mod A is equal to mod B is equal to mod C is equal to simply lambda you can put anything number, it is a scalar. Next data A bar angle between A bar comma B bar is equal to alpha, angle between B bar comma C bar is equal to beta, angle between C bar comma A bar is equal to gamma. Now we should calculate cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma. Next, let us discuss about let A bar dot B bar I am writing. What is A bar dot B bar? A bar dot B bar becomes mod A into mod B into cos alpha, because he given angle between A bar and B bar is cos alpha. A bar B bar, instead of A bar B bar I am writing here lambda square cos alpha, because they are having equal magnitude. In the same way, now you write, there is no question of let, means I am multiplying A and B. Here B dot C. So B dot C you can write directly lambda square cos beta. Next C bar dot A bar, this is dot. C bar dot A bar is equal to lambda square cos gamma. Now let us consider, now I am writing as consider. Because you should find out cos alpha, cos beta, cos beta, cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma. So consider A bar plus B bar plus C bar whole square. A bar plus B bar plus C bar whole square form I am saying mod A square plus mod B square plus mod C square plus 2 into A bar dot B bar plus B bar dot C bar, this is dot, don't think it is as minus, this is C bar dot A bar. We know that every square is greater than or equal to 0. So A bar plus B bar plus C bar greater than or equal to 0. Then the result also greater than or equal to 0. That implies you can say that this is square I am asking. Square I am saying. Mod A square value lambda square, mod B square value lambda square, mod C square value lambda square. So mod A square plus mod B square plus mod C square you can write 3 lambda square. This is 3 lambda square. 3 lambda square plus 2 into, you take common, 3 lambda square you can write. 3 lambda square plus 2 into A dot B, here I had written as lambda square cos alpha, and B dot C lambda square cos beta, and C dot A lambda square cos gamma. If we take the value lambda square, you can write here in the brackets cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma greater than or equal to 0. You divide the value with lambda square, it becomes 3 plus 2 into cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, undoubtedly you can say that the value cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2. So he is asking minimum value. So minimum value is the value minus 3 by 2. So according to option here it is fourth option. Whenever the value is minus greater than minus 2, then minimum value equal to minus 3 by 2. So fourth option. Now ninth question completed. Let us discuss about 10th question. So what is the 10th question he given? Let P bar Q bar, here P bar Q bar indicates vectors. P bar Q bar are the position vectors of P, capital P and capital Q respectively. P bar Q bar are the position vectors of capital P and capital Q respectively with respect to O. So position vector concept OP equal to P he given. 10th question. OP you write here. O capital P equal to P bar. Next OQ. O capital Q equal to Q bar. P bar Q bar position vectors he given as P and Q, and mod P bar is equal to P. Given data I am writing mod P bar value simple P, it is not vector. This is vector, magnitude of vector becomes scalar, and mod Q bar is equal to Q. Mod Q bar is equal to Q. If R comma S divide PQ internally and externally in the ratio 2:3, R comma S, R PQ you can write here. Put here P, put here Q. Here it is a point R dividing PQ in the ratio 2:3, and S is another point which is an external point. To do one thing here, put Q. This is S. This is Q. This is internal ratio. This is external ratio. Let O is a point is there. Join O like this. According to origin, position vector OP he given as P bar, and OQ he given as Q bar. OR and OS we should calculate, and let us see the question what we need. The ratio 2:3 internally and externally. If OR and OS are perpendicular, OR and OS are perpendicular. If OR and OS are perpendicular, then according to options we should verify using section formula. I am writing using section formula. So what is the section formula? MB bar plus NA bar by M plus N concept. OR I am writing. MB bar, M means here 2:3 ratio. MB bar means M into second letter, 2 into second letter Q bar plus MB bar plus NA bar, 3 into P bar by M plus N. It is 5. Next, OS right. OS is equal to this one also. MB bar means 2S. OS is equal to I am writing. Same concept to MB bar means 2Q bar minus 3P bar whole by 5. So MB bar plus NA bar by M plus N is internal ratio, and MB bar minus NA bar by M minus N here. So M minus N concept you write here -1. Now condition I am writing. Condition. What is the condition he given? OR perpendicular to OS. So whenever two vectors are perpendicular, then their dot product is 0. Then you can write here 2Q plus 3P, 2Q bar plus 3P bar by 5 into 2Q minus 3P bar by -1 equal to 0. This minus you can take that side. So this you can written as A plus B into A minus B concept. So you can write this one as 4Q square minus 9P square over modulus equal to 0. According to option, if mod Q bar equal to Q, E given as option 9P square equal to 4Q square. That's all. So 4Q bar square here. 4Q bar square equal to 9P bar square. Bar became is a scalar here. That's all. Verified first option here. Next, let us see 11th question. 10 questions completed. 11th question. The vectors x, capital X and capital Y he given. The vectors x and y satisfy the equation. The equation 2x plus y, all are indicating with capital letters x. X and y satisfies. 2x plus y is equal to p. It is also bar. 2x plus y equal to p. And next one, x plus 2y. X plus 2y is equal to q bar, where p is equal to I plus j, data. Where p bar, the vector he given as I plus j, and q bar, the vector he given as I minus j. If theta is angle between x and y, then what he is asking? Theta is angle between x and y. So x and y, first you calculate separate x and separate y, then you will be ready. Let it be first equation and let it be second equation. Eliminating y. So we'll do one thing, 2 into 1 I am getting. It becomes 4x plus 2y. 4x plus 2y equal to 2p bar. Next x, you drop here. X plus 2y is equal to q. What he given, plus or minus once you verify. X plus 2y, it's okay. Next one. Subtract this one. It becomes 3x is equal to 2p bar plus q bar. 2p bar plus q. 2p bar plus q bar. X is equal to 2p bar plus q bar. 2p bar plus q bar, this one, whole by 3. This is x. If you substitute the value here, from 1 you write here. You should get y also. From 1 I am writing. This one, 4p bar plus 2q bar by 3, okay, plus y is equal to p bar. This one taken that side. Here you can write as p bar minus of 4p bar by 3 plus 2q bar. Now y can be written as y is equal to 3p minus 4p becomes minus p. Minus 4p by 3 here, total by 3 is there, 4p plus 2, total by 3. So you can write here minus p plus 2, minus 2q. Minus p bar minus 2q bar whole by 3, minus p bar minus 2q bar whole by 3, that is y. 4p 2p plus q, here we substituted, those are 4 plus 2q by 3 plus y, p taken, this taken to that side, 4p plus 2q by 3, 3p minus 4p minus p and minus 2q I have written by 3. So x and y we got. Now he is asking the angle between x and y. So first of all, what is p, what is q he given. Now I am writing using the value I and j. X is equal to 2p plus q by 3. So what is 2p? Here you write 2i plus 2j, 2i plus 2j plus I minus j whole by 3. Now you can write here 3i plus j whole by 3. This is the value x. Now again you write y is equal to minus p. What is the value? Minus p minus I minus j minus 2q. So minus 2i plus 2j, minus 2i plus 2j whole by 3. You can write here minus 3i plus j whole by 3. Now angle between x and y. Angle between x and y cos theta is equal to formula x bar dot y bar y modulus x into modulus y. So cos theta we can write as this 3 into 3 minus 9 plus 1 whole by 9. 3 into 3 3i plus 3j, 3 into minus 3 1 no. Minus 9 plus 1 whole by 9 into magnitude also we should calculate. What is the value of magnitude? This one. 1 by 9 you take in common. Then it becomes root 10 into again root 10. Magnitude also we should write. So this 9 plus 1 minus 8 by 10. This 9 and 9 will be getting cancelled. Here you will be getting minus 8 by 10. So cos theta value equal to minus 1 by 5, or theta is equal to cos inverse of minus 4 by 5. If the value cos inverse given in minus, then you will be getting pi minus cos inverse theta. No need. According to option, third option modified. Next, 12th question. 12th question. A, B, C E given. A, B, C given are the vertices of a triangle. If the median AM, equally inclined to coordinate axis. So whenever he given the question in vectors regarding coordinate axis, you should try to understand that I bar, J bar, K bar are the unit vectors along x, y, z axis respectively. So this is 12th one. A, B, C are the vertices of triangle. AM is equally inclined coordinate axis, median AM. So put A upper side. Here put here. This is A, this is B, this is C, and this is median M. A he given as 2, 3, 5. B he given as -1, 3, 2. -1, 3, 2. C lambda, 5, mu. These are scalars. Lambda, 5, mu are the vertices of triangle. If the median AM is equally inclined to coordinate axis, it's okay. First of all, we should try to understand that M is the midpoint of B and C. So M you can write as B plus C by 2. So this is -1 plus lambda by 2, 3 plus 5 by 2, 8 by 2, 4, okay, 2 plus mu by 2. 2 plus mu by 2. This is the M midpoint. He is asking about AM. Now AM I am writing. AM means M minus A. M minus A. Taken -1 plus lambda by 2. -1 plus lambda by 2 minus 2. So -1 plus lambda minus 4 by 2 minus 2 by 2. Okay. Next one. 4 minus 3 simply 1. Next one, 2 plus mu minus 10. 2 plus mu minus 10 whole by 2. This is 2. 2 plus mu minus 10. You can write here -5 minus lambda by 2, 1, mu minus 8. Mu minus 8 by 2. He is discussing about AM making equal angles with coordinate axis. So that means AM dot I is equal to AM dot J is equal to AM dot K. Whatever the value will be getting with I bar vector, and the same value will be getting for J bar vector, and the same value will be getting with K bar vector. Already here it is indicating the value is 1. That means the AM vector is making angle 1, the value, total value 1 we are getting. So the total value, this is also 1 and this is also 1. That implies simply you write here -5 minus lambda by 2 equal to 1, mu minus 8 by 2 equal to 1. This is only the hint given to us. -5 minus lambda equal to 2 and mu minus lambda equal to 2. So lambda is equal to minus, this one taken this side, it becomes lambda is equal to -7 and mu is equal to 10. Lambda mu values are -7 and 10. So 12th question, third option he given -5 minus, so here this is plus lambda, put here -5 plus lambda, -5 plus lambda. So this is plus 7, okay. Third option he given the answer. Next one, 13th question. 13th question, he given the data, the vectors 3a minus 5b and 2a plus b. 3a minus 5b. 13th question. 3a minus 5b and 2a plus b are mutually perpendicular. Two vectors. He is discussing about two vectors. 13th question. 2, 3, the vectors 3a minus 5b. 3a minus 5b and 2a plus b are mutually perpendicular. 3a minus 5b dot, you write 3a minus 5b dot 2a plus b equal to 0. This is first condition. Let it be first condition. Next, are perpendicular the vectors 3a plus 3a minus 5b and 2a plus b equal to 0 are mutually perpendicular, and the vectors a plus 4b into a plus 4b and minus a plus b also mutually perpendicular he given. Then the acute angle between a bar and b bar he is asking. This is one. Given, I am writing the given data, this one, and a bar plus 4b bar, a bar plus 4b bar dot minus a plus b equal to 0. This is second equation. Let us multiply this one. We should calculate angle between a and b. From 1 I am writing. From 1. 3a minus 5b. So you can write here 6a bar dot b bar plus 3ab minus 10ab. You can write here, this is 6a square. 6 mod a square minus this is 7a bar dot b bar minus 5 mod b square. This is equal to 0. This is a equation we can write. 6a square minus 7ab minus 5b square. Let it be third equation. Next this one multiply from 2 I am writing. So multiply second question. This can be written as minus a outside. Minus a bar square a dot b minus 4a dot b you can write as 3a bar dot b bar plus 4 into mod b square. 4 into mod b square equal to 0. Let it be fourth equation. If we get multiply with 4, solving the two equations. Now I am writing third equation third equation plus 6 into fourth equation. This is 6 into means 6, multiplying with 6. So again I am writing 6 modulus of a square. 6 modulus of a square minus 7 a bar dot b bar minus 5 mod b square equal to 0, and here 6 modulus of a square minus 18 a bar dot b bar, this is not bracket, simply dot, a bar dot b bar plus 6 4s are 24 b bar square is equal to 0. Simply add these two numbers, will getting minus 7 minus 18. You can write here 25 a bar dot b bar along with minus, and minus 5 plus 24 you can write here 19 modulus of b bar square equal to 0. 25 a bar dot b bar is equal to 19 mod b bar square. First let us read the question, the data once again. He given the unit vectors or not. The vectors are mutually perpendicular, also mutually perpendicular. So he is not discussing about whether it is unit vector or not. So minus 25. You can write here minus 25 into mod A into mod B into cos theta is equal to minus 19. We can write mod B into mod B. You get cancel mod B. So minus and minus also will be getting cancelled both sides. Then cos theta I am writing cos theta is equal to 19 by 25. 19 by 25 into mod b by a. Let put in the box, it will be useful. Cos theta is equal to 19 by 25 into mod b by a. Later, next, once again, using 3 or using 4 we can get the value. Using 4 I can write here 3 a bar dot b bar is equal to this terms taken this side. Here you can write 4b square minus a square. 3 a bar dot b bar is equal to 4b square minus a square. So once again a dot b should equal. Super. 3a bar dot b bar is equal to 4b square minus a square. So a bar dot b bar is equal to, you can write here 4 mod b square minus a square. This is a fifth equation. Next again, using 3 you can write a bar dot b bar. A bar dot b bar is equal to 6 mod a square. 6 mod a square minus 5 mod b square whole by 7. This is 6th. Because this is a bar dot b bar, this is a bar dot b bar, we can use 5 equal to 6. So you can write here 4 mod b square minus a square whole by 3 I did not write. Whole by 3 I should write. Whole by 3 is equal to here 6 mod a square minus 5 mod b square whole by 7. Taking cross multiplication, we will be getting 7 4s are 28b square. 7 4s are 28b square here minus 28b square minus 7a square is equal to 3 6 are 18a square minus 3 5s are 15b square. This is b, 15b square. So 7a square taken this side and 15b square taken this side. It becomes 43b square is equal to, this is 25a square. 43b square equal to 25b square. Now you can write as mod b square by a square. Mod b square by a square, this is equal to 25 by 43. Whenever square you had written, now you write mod b bar is equal to 5 by root 43. Let it is a Roman number 1. Now from Roman number 1, the box, you can write the angle between the two vectors is 19 into 5 by 25 into root 43. Now you get cancelled here. 5 into 5 times 5 times get cancelled in 25. Now you can write the value theta is equal to cos inverse 19 by 5 into root 43 or cos theta is equal to 19 by 5 root 43. ఇక్కడితో ఈ క్లాస్ క్లోజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. Let us continue in next class.